Hey everybody, it's Brian. So I'm at the point now where I'm starting to get a little bit more extreme with my zone pushing. I've played pretty safe for the last several years and really not gone with anything too crazy, but I've ordered a few plants. These were some of my favorites when I lived in Puerto Rico. Saw these all over the island and I always loved looking at them. So let's see if we can get them to grow here. First one is a lobster claw or a heliconia. These look very similar and grow similarly to banana plants, and eventually they'll create these large lobster claw looking flowers that'll drop down from the top of the plant. Now they're hardy to zone 9 from everything online that I've been able to see and read. They will grow pretty well in a pot. So that's where I'm going to put them, and that way I can easily take them inside for the winter. Now, the second thing I got, this is going to be a real extreme, or what I would consider an extreme experiment. This tree goes by many names: delonix regia, royal poinciana, flame tree, flamboyant tree. In Puerto Rico, they call it a flamboyant. They drop the T. They're native to Africa, but you find them all over the Caribbean, especially in Puerto Rico. I've got paintings of this tree that I bought in Puerto Rico inside my house. They're super popular there, but this tree is really only hardy to it has absolutely no chance to survive in a zone 8 winter. It also doesn't grow very well in pots from everything I've read. I mean, they grow really fast and they get really big. In the ground, these things can get up to 40 feet tall and they get really wide too. So it's going to be challenging to grow it in a pot, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway and see if I can keep it alive. It will have to come inside for probably 5-ish months out of the year for me in zone 8. But if I can just get the thing to flower, I'll be super happy with it and it'll be worth the time, even if it dies after that. So we're going to give it a go and see how it goes. I don't have high hopes, but it's worth a try. So like and subscribe to see how much of a disaster this actually ends up being.